Lights are on. We are set.
Yep.
Gonna get a good jump on Brandon Gerard there. And down back stretch. It's all Leidinger. Down into 3 and 4. Picking up Checker. As Wyman just tries to keep up into 3 and 4, Diaz. Smooth sailing off of turn 4, checkered flag from Steve Bowden in the air. Diaz going to move on. They're at the stripe. Down into 1, give the advantage to Oliveira, but here comes Fielding on the upstairs line here. Down the backstretch, Fielding with the run. He's got a nose. Even 3 and 4. Give the advantage to Fielding up top.
One in reverse.
It's going to go to Fielding there. And what a save there by Oliveira to stay on the pace. That was exciting. Little landscaping there. Waiting on the green. Green is out. Down into turn 1. Give the advantage by a nose right now to Stevens. Here comes Kazunas on the low line. Down the back stretch. Kazunas has the run. Here comes Stevens battling back into 3 and 4. That can get Kazunas across the stripe. He is going to move on. Joseph on the low line. He jumps up in front of Fitzgerald. Down into 3 and 4. Andrew Joseph in that 1975 Chevy. Flag on Fitzgerald. Pickup in 1949. First Chevy Camaro in 1978. Lynch on the high line. He's off. Wow, what a close one there. Down into one. Advantage to fielding. Wicket back. Right to the back bumper. Down the back stretch. Fielding gonna get another car length advantage there. Into 3 and 4. Fielding. Not fielding. Come on. Line there. Mellow. Down the bottom there. Great jump there. Here he goes. Down into 1 and 2. Carlito Mello. Off of 2 down the backstretch, sailing away into 3 and 4. Burke's gonna try to battle that. Monahan, good jump down into 1 and 2. He'll get right out in front of Curtis. Here comes Curtis battling back on the outside. He'll get squeezed up the track. Monahan with the advantage down into 3 and 4. Monahan with it, Curtis. With the advantage, he gets out in front of fielding. Off the 2 down the backstretch, fielding will run right to the back bumper. Perry into 3 and 4, fielding looking for with the advantage. Down the backstretch by a nose. Monahan on the low line. Into 3 and 4. This is the battle. Monahan. Here they go. Down into 1 and 2. Give the advantage to Monahan. Down the backstretch. Here comes Fielding with his hands full. Checker. That was a photo finish. Great jump. Down into 1 and 2. Carlito Mello. Here comes Corey Perry. Into 1 and 2, into 3 and 4. Mello. Start. Does Corey Perry have anything for him? Down the backstretch. Close in. In 3 and 4. Mello with the advantage. Our winner here in the East Coast Towing and Recovery Spectator Drags, Carlito Mello. Carlito, must have been fun out there. How'd you do it?
I'm gonna go to the car.
Thanks to God I did it. Hallelujah.
Obviously battling back through and through. You've got a great car on the jump here. What goes into it? Any hidden secrets? I mean, that's fun to watch off the start.
Just a low boost in first gear to minimize spin. I'm still on 7-inch wide tires. Once I go wider, it's going to get nasty out there.
Anybody you want to thank?
Yeah, I want to thank my girlfriend right there, Alyssa Hayes. She just sung the national anthem and absolutely crushed it. Go check out Retro Records in Uxbridge. She runs that shop. And I want to shout out my mom, dad, Alyssa's family, my brother, my nephew, who's got a nice sign for me, and everybody who comes out here.
Carlito Mello taking home the checkered flag first place. We'll make our way over to our runner-up, Corey Perry. Corey, what more did you need to get the win there?
I did more than I thought I was going to do, so I'm happy with what I got.
Second place, obviously a strong car. We see you're in, week out here at the Spectator Drags. Anybody you want to thank?
I want to thank my mom, my dad, and my girlfriend, and all of my friends over there.
Corey Perry coming home second, and photo finish, which up top there, we didn't see it as good, but happy to be out here. Liam Monahan. Liam, that was a close one.
It was the closest race I've had ever.
and it couldn't be against a better guy. John, Corey, we're all best friends. We're out here every week just having as much fun as we can.
Anybody you want to thank?
Of course, I want to thank my wife, my mom, my dad, they're over there, and friends and family that just support this every single day. And yeah, it's finally worth it.
Taking home a third place trophy there in our East Coast Towing and Recovery Spectator Drags. Getting set for the heats. I'll send it right back up top to Kevin.